What is fact-checking? Simply put, fact-checking is the process of making sure that the contents of a message are true. Fact-checking is part of standard operating procedure for journalism. A news story cannot be written if the assertions in it are not confirmed to be factual. So how do you, as a reader or listener, or otherwise a consumer of news and information, determine that what you're reading on social media or the internet is true? Well, first of all, do data triangulation. This means that you try to look for at least 3 different credible news organizations. For instance, you can check whether ABS-CBN, GMA, and TV5 are reporting the same thing. Then you have a very, very high degree of certainty that what is being asserted in a report is correct. Why is fact-checking important, especially for those who are members of the audience? It is important because members of the audience in general are also voters or otherwise participants in the life of the nation. And if the information, or rather the statements out of which you make your opinions, are not factual, you are not in fact building the nation, but you are destroying it, because you are making decisions that are based on lies.